Welcome, students, to the last lesson from Moments Supplementary Reader, The Beggar. Before we go on to discuss or understand the story, I have food for thought. Do you think it is right to beg for things we can't earn? Another one, lying is bad as it corrupts the liar. Now you have to reflect on this and the answers probably you will get after you have read the story. Now, before we move on to understand the story, let us understand and know something about the author, Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. Chekhov, a Russian playwright and a short story writer, he shared a strained relationship with his abusive father, and this influenced his writing. After his father, went bankrupt, Chekhov had to pay for his own education by selling his family's possessions, tutoring, and selling short sketches to newspapers. After enrolling in a medical school, he became the sole financial support for his family. After he became a physician, he continued writing and eventually started gaining popularity. Chekhov's works, they have established him as one of the most famous figures in literature, hailed for his contribution in the form of modern short story. He also wrote plays, many of which continue to be staged all over the world. His simple style of writing, his probing of human nature, and his refusal to provide easy solutions continue to make his works relevant even today. So, as a playwright, he produced four classics, and his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. After we have read the story, we will have to get the answer of this question: whose approach of helping the needy better? The needy here is Lashkov, who is helped by Sergei and Olga, but they both have their own way of helping him. So we have to understand and explain whose approach do we find better, or if not, both had their own way of helping. So either we can side with one, or we can maybe justify both in their own way. Now the setting of the story is, as you can see by the names of the characters, Lashkov, Sergei, Olga, they all are Russian names. So this story is set up in Russia, St. Petersburg. So it's a city of the erstwhile USSR. It spans a period of 2 years with most of the action concentrated in the winter month. Now the characters here you'll find are Lashkov, who's the beggar. Then you have Sergei, the lawyer. Then Olga, who's Sergei's cook. Then you will find van drivers, colleague of Sergei, and a notary. So notary here is Lashkov only. In the end, the story starts Lashkov as a beggar and ends with a notary. So with this, we end, and in the next video, we'll try to understand the story and its theme and the message. So, bye then.